Hello friends, today I've brought for you 10 useful kitchen tools that are not just cool to look at, but super useful too. These gadgets can save you time, reduce effort, and bring a modern touch to your kitchen routine. If you like any product, check the links in the description. Watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Garlic press, stainless steel. Tired of peeling garlic and getting that strong smell on your hands? This handy garlic press set solves it all. Just roll the garlic in the silicone tube. The skin comes off instantly. Then press it through the stainless steel crusher for finely minced garlic. It's super easy to clean and dishwasher safe too. A total time saver for every meal. Pineapple corer. Pineapple lovers, this one's for you. Cutting a pineapple is messy and tricky, right? But with this stainless steel corer and slicer, you can peel, core, and slice in one go. Just twist it into the pineapple, pull it out, and you get perfect rings. No more sticky hands or uneven cuts. Only juicy, clean slices every time. Rice storage tank. Running out of space in your kitchen? This 6-grid rotating food dispenser helps you store cereals, pulses, rice and more in one compact container. Just rotate, press the button and get the right quantity every time. It's stackable, airtight and keeps your pantry neat and organized. Cabinet wine glass holder rack. Want to give your kitchen a classy touch? This under cabinet wine glass rack is perfect for storing your glasses safely and in style. Just mount it under a shelf and slide your stemware in. It saves space, looks elegant, and keeps your glasses dust-free and ready to use. Foldable gas stove. Do you love camping or outdoor cooking? This mini foldable gas stove is a must-have. It's compact, windproof, and super powerful. Perfect for picnics, hiking, or emergency use. Just fold it and pack it, and you're ready to cook anywhere, anytime. Fruit and tomato zip slicer. Cutting cherry tomatoes or grapes one by one? Too slow. This zip slicer lets you cut multiple small fruits in one go. Just load them in, zip the cutter, and you're done. Perfect for quick salad prep or kids' lunch boxes. NonStick Waffle. Craving crispy waffles at home? This gas stove compatible non-stick waffle maker is just what you need. It's super heavy duty, comes with cool touch handles, and is scratch resistant. Just pour in your batter, flip it, and enjoy delicious waffles or pancakes in minutes. Cup drying rack stand. 6-cup metal drainer with wood handle. Say goodbye to messy countertops. This cup drying rack securely holds up to 6 mugs or glasses. Its non-slip base and elegant wooden handle make it both functional and stylish. It's a clean and modern solution for your kitchen. Glass teapot with stainless steel infuser. Tea lovers, here's something special. This glass teapot comes with a removable stainless steel infuser. Ideal for blooming or loose leaf teas. It's elegant, heat-resistant, and perfect for those peaceful tea breaks at home or with guests. Sip-in style. Electric can opener. In cans has never been easier. Just place this electric can opener on any standard size can. Press the button and it opens smoothly with zero sharp edges. Friends, how did you like these kitchen gadgets? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon with more awesome finds. Until then, happy cooking.